Question number 1. Which unique app has been launched by the Election Commission of India (ECI) for people to report model code violations? Answer is C-Vigil. Question number 2. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC) launched its e-marketing system KIMIS in New Delhi. What does KIMIS stands for? Answer is Khadi Institution Management and Information System. Question number 3. The Union Government has constituted a ministerial panel to decide on fund allocation from CRIF for infrastructure projects. The panel will be headed by whom? Answer is Minister of Finance. Question number 4. The world's first all-digital art museum has opened in which country? Answer is Japan. Question number 5. The 2018 World Sports Journalists Day (WSJD) is observed on which date? Answer is July 2nd. Question number 6. India's first Global Mobility Summit will be organized by Niti Aayog in which city? Answer is New Delhi. Question number 7. Who has become the first ever transgender woman to be crowned Miss Universe Spain? Answer is Angela Pons. Question number 8. Pandharichi Wari, which will take place every in which one of the following states? Answer is Maharashtra. Question number 9. Who has been appointed new Chancellor of the University of Hyderabad, UOH? Answer is L. Narasimha Reddy. Question number 10. The Kerala government has set up a panel to choose an official song for the state. Who is the convener of the panel? Answer is Rani George. Question number 11. The Numaligarh Refinery Ltd (NRL) has become the India's first oil public sector undertaking (PSU) to introduce online legal compliance Legatrix. It is located in which state? Answer is Assam. Question number 12. India's first dedicated Khadi mall will soon be set up by which state government? Answer is Jharkhand. Question number 13. Which of the following national parks has become the largest habitat of the endangered estuarine crocodiles in India? Answer is Bhitakanika National Park. Question number 14. If LSJXVC is the code for Mumbai, what is the code for Delhi? Answer is CCIDD. Question number 15. Which Indian artist decorated the handwritten copy of the Constitution? Answer is Nandala Bose. Question number 16. Which of the following is the largest Lok Sabha constituency, area-wise? Answer is Ladakh. Question number 17. How many minutes for each degree of longitude does the local time of any place vary from the Greenwich time? Answer is 4. Question number 18. The headquarters of International Labour Organization is located at? Answer is Geneva. Question number 19. Who founded the Vikramashila University? Answer is Dharmapal. Question number 20. In India, the Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by? The answer is President of India. Question number 21. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs (CBIC) has launched GST Verify app to protect interest of consumers. The app is developed by whom? Answer is B. Raghu Kiran. Question number 22. Which country has hosted the 8th International Convention of Saurashtra Patel Cultural Samaj 2018? Answer is United States. Question number 23. Which city has recently hosted the International Round Table Conference on Data for New India? Answer is New Delhi. Question number 24. The revolutionary organization Abhinav Bharat Society was founded in 1904 by? Answer is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Question number 25. Which is the brightest star in our night sky? Answer is Sirius. Question number 26. Who has been appointed as new member of the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council (BCCC)? Answer is Uday K. Verma. Question number 27. Who has been appointed the new chairperson of the National Green Tribunal (NGT)? Answer is Adarsh Kumar Goel. Question number 28. In a particular code language account is written as NPPBHAG, then online will be written as? Answer is BAYVAR. Question number 29. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a great 19th century social reformer who waged a struggle for? Against which of the following social cause? Answer is widow remarriage. Question number 30. Which individual has won the maximum gold medals in an Olympic Games? Answer is Michael Phelps.